Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has classified Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.94. Now, let us examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly negative 20% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 30% to negative 1%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 32%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 40% to 6% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $52.62 and $94.39. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, "A very red day for Advanced Micro Devices stock price after an 8.41% fall in the Thursday trading session." The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 8.41% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, dropping from $96.84 to $88.70. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.28%, ranging from a low of $85.06 to a high of $92.95. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 16.83% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also fell on the last day, along with the stock, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should typically align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 32 million shares, with a total of 64 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, and the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 52.64% or $98.58 below the 52-week high and 60.98% or $138.60 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is currently experiencing significant market turbulence, with shares declining by nearly 8.4% amid a broader market sell-off that has also seen the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite dip sharply. This decline underscores the sensitivity of semiconductor stocks to macroeconomic factors. Furthermore, the recent tariff announcements have added to market volatility, influencing investor sentiment across the technology sector. Nevertheless, despite today's downturn, AMD is well-positioned to benefit from the increasing adoption of its 5th-generation EPYC processors, particularly in solutions for major players like Google and Oracle. This trend could support long-term growth prospects, as strong demand in the data center market remains a crucial driver for the company, even in light of current challenges. Market analysts suggest that AMD stock is trading at compelling valuation levels, its lowest earnings multiple in nearly a decade, making it an attractive option for long-term investors. As the company continues to innovate, especially in AI inference solutions, there is a pathway to capture more market share from competitors like NVIDIA. In the short term, these sell-offs may increase volatility surrounding AMD stock, potentially creating a more cautious investment environment. However, if underlying growth drivers remain robust, we may witness a rebound as investors take advantage of the attractive valuation and AMD's transformative potential in emerging technology sectors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade, indicating a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade, recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned AMD an overweight grade, also recommending a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade, again recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 13.41%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The Advanced Micro Devices stock is currently exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $89.99 and $100.92. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 112 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 106 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $85.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, the stock is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.89 between its high and low, which amounts to 9.28%. In the last week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 14.59%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 93 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $93.80. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $85.76. Should this support level hold, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D executed an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 15,708 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D sold 1,792 shares of common stock. Also, on that day, Papermaster Mark D carried out an insider sale of 17,500 shares of stock option grant. On the 12th of March, 2025, Vanderslice Elizabeth W. conducted an insider sale of 12,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 15.226. Overall, insiders purchased 978,454 shares and sold 1,382,875 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Currently, Advanced Micro Devices displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. We have consequently adjusted our evaluation of this stock to a negative stance. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open higher by approximately 20 cents, starting trading at $88.90. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.